My name is Scott Gibson. This is my introductory video for Math 515. I am a senior high math instructor at Belgrade, Bruton, El Rosa. Currently, I only teach college in the schools classes, 2 semester classes. That would be pre-calculus in the first half of the year and statistics in the second half of the year. I've been a teacher at BBE since 1978-79, 45 years I've been there. 41 years as a full-time teacher. I've been retired and have come back for just a single CIS, or for the first year or two, a couple of CIS courses. Next year, never know when year will be your final year, obviously. Next year, I am planning to teach the same 2 CIS courses, but I've also been recruited to teach physics, which I've never taught before. My father taught physics a long time ago. We'll see how that goes. We have a shortage there. I've taught everything from 7th grade through the CIS courses, and that's my story. Outside of teaching, I like live music in small venues. I'm a pretty decent artist, and I do a lot of biking. I used to do a lot of running, but at this point, my knees are too bad, so now I do a lot of biking. That's about all you need to know about me. So I hope the course is enjoyable, and I hope to do okay in it. This will be my last, if everything goes right, this will be the last course I need to get for the pathway to 18. I've had a master's degree for, I don't know, from back in the 80s, and a little over half of those credits were approved towards the math masters. I do have a computer science and education minor, which is no longer awarded in Minnesota. I was one of the few people to get one of those. But I would say for technology in the classroom, looking at evaluations of websites mentioned in the introductory video from our professor, Photomath, Mathway, I'm not familiar with. Symbol Lab I've heard of but never used. Wolfram Alpha, of course, I've had some experience with. Course Hero, I've never used that. Khan Academy I'm familiar with but don't use it. And Khan Migo I don't use either, so I guess I'm a real neophyte in those particular, well, in I guess most of those particular software. We'll see how it goes.